Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar General store and they have some nice little candles, guys. Look at these. These are the vanilla scented candles. They have gingerbread delight, sparkling cinnamon, and up there they have the bigger ones up there, vanilla sugar, peppermint cream. And look at these right here. This is a sugar cherry merlot. Good morning.
You ready?
They have the sparkling cinnamon, the vanilla honey. They even have a cashmere blanket back here also. And these are, they don't have a price on these. I'm thinking they're $3. This is a cactus rose. Let's see here. There is a blue lagoon. These are the real big candles. Look at this one right here, a berry prosecco. We have this one right here. Juicy Macintosh apple. They have the cold winters, but they have a lot of candles down here, guys. Spice apple cider. And look how cute these candles are right here. They come in like a little pot. Vanilla gingerbread, cinnamon, and they have a sugar cloud here as well. Alright, so they still have some of these little solar Christmas characters right here. They have this tree right here that says Fall of Love. They have this little snowman. They have Santa. They have a little dog here. What is this, a little kitty? They have those. They have a ribbon dropping things, guys. They have a ribbon combo pack here for $2. You get 100 foot. They have those. They still have these little battery operated lights here. That's what they look like. And this is one of them right here. They have the peppermints. And they have the snowflakes. And these are 15 LED battery operated lights. Okay, so actually they put out some new items. They have this nativity scene right here in white, $3. And they also have it in brown as well. Have those. They put out a lot of the little Rudolph. They have the bigger ones here that plays music. And they have the little smaller ones here. A lot of these items don't have prices. I'm surprised. They have the Christmas picks right here. The little presents. So these are $1. Let's see, what are these right here? This is just a wide cut garland right here in red for $3. They have these Christmas tree toppers right here, $3.95 for that one. They have the gold angel, star. They have those. They have tons and tons of these mini felt bags up here. Mini rustic bags. All of these are $1. These are the mini ones. All of those. They still have those angels right there in gold and silver. These are $8. Alright, so they still have the days till Christmas. They have a Santa and a snowman. They have this cute little box, this little random box that's just sitting here for $3. But you get the little fake snow on the inside. Santa's driving the red truck. That's what it looks like. That's really cute. They still have the novelty bags up there, I believe, with Santa. They still have these right here. The trucks. And I see a red one back there as well. These are actually $3. They have those holiday plates right there for kids for $1. They have these cinnamon scent wax burners here. You get this one, cinnamon. And they have this one right here, vanilla cookie. These are $3. More of the Let It Snow mugs. These are really cute right here. $2 for those. And Merry Christmas. They also have these right here. $2. All right, so they have these little spiral trees right here in green and silver. They have those. They have these fabric bags right here. They have those. Cold. Those are really cute. They have the little squishy toys up here. You get a polar bear, you get a snowman. Let's see. And I see a Santa one back there as well, but those are $1. What else I see? They have a lot of lights. They still have these right here, these stackable containers. They have that one. They have Santa. This one. They still have that cookie plate and mug set right there. And they have these Christmas ornaments right here. Look how cute this apron is right here with the little gingerbread. They have a snowman, the red truck. Let's see. They have the kitchen towels over here that says Believe. All right, so I'm gonna go over some of the ornaments here. They have Hope. They have this one. They put them out on the little end cap right here on the end. They have this little red door, Home for the Holidays. This one right here, and all of these are $1, guys. They have this one right here. They have a lot of the reindeer antler headbands. They have these right here, these ornaments, Joy, the snowflake, the Christmas tree. All of these are $1. They have the red snowflake. They have the little church house right here. They have the snowflake in silver as well, the galvanized ones. They have the doorbell hangers here, the Christmas bell ornaments. They have this one right here that says Noel. That's really cute. Have those. All right, so they still have the little light up snowman right here. This is the LED topper. Let's see here, it lights up. Well, actually, this is a snowman, guys. It lights up. They have the little gnomes here for $5. They have these tree toppers here. Have those. They also have the gnome ones, the Christmas toppers for $5. All of these are $5. They have this one right here for $12. They have tons and tons of bags here. Some of the lighted bows here in red. That's what they look like with the little Santa feet. Let's see. And after Christmas, you're going to want to have this right here. This is a stack and carry 2-layer ornament box here. I'm not sure what the price of it is. No, I'm not sure what the price of that is. They still have a lot of those egg serving trays right there. They have those. All right, let's put these to the side here. They have these trays here that says Merry Christmas. I also see a green one down here. They have this one, Cookies for Santa. All right, so what is this right here? This is a Christmas floral arrangement. It's this right here, and this is going for $6. They still have some of the tumblers. They still have these right here, Be Merry, with the black and red and green tops. And I'm gonna push some of these over a little bit. I'm dropping things, guys. Let's see here. They have this little table decor that says Merry Christmas. They have this one right here that says Happy Holidays. And they have this one right here that says Merry Christmas. All of these are $3. They have tons and tons of bags here as well. And look at the little Santa faces and novelty bags. And they have some of the bigger bags, guys, the gift bags, the fabric ones. These are $2.50. That's a great deal. You have these kitchen towels for $1. And look how nice is this tree skirt right here. We have that for $8. Really nice. Some of the little nativity scenes right here for $6. Those are really neat. And they come in different ones. They have this one right here as well. Yeah, that one. Let's see, what are these right here? These are adult face mascots. They have the Santa face. This one right here says, I love Santa. They have this one right here. Naughty or nice. Those are really nice. They have these flameless candles with timer for $10. Value pack gift bags. You get a total of 8 for $5. Those there. And they have the bigger bags here as well. You get those. Some of the little plastic cups right here with the red truck for $1. And one of these right here, these are a caddy without coffee, and it has a little spoon on the inside. They also have a blue one right here. All I need is coffee and my dog. This is going in my cart. Mama needs some coffee. And let's see here, they have these gigantic mugs right here, Be Merry and Green. Those are really nice. And Merry and Bright, and these are $2.50. They still have some of the little containers here in green and red. All right, guys, look at these cookies right here. They have a lot of these cookies right here. They have these. And these right here I really love. So I'm going to pick up a pack of these right here. These are $2.95. So I'm going to pick up a pack of those. And of course they have candy galore here. Look at the little Rudolph Double Crisp Big Pops here for $1. They have the little Santa North Pole marshmallow poles for $1. And I think these are popcorn on the inside of these containers here. Not sure. They still have the quarter cherries. Still have those. They have these every year. These are the cocoa cones for $2. They have the Russell Stovers, the chocolates, assorted fine chocolates here for $5. They have a lot of stocking stuffers here. They have these, Rudolph and the Snowman. They have these little presents right here, milk chocolate truffle with hazelnut flavor. And they come in the gold box in the red for $1.50. All right, guys, so these are not Christmas items, but look at these right here. These are fridge magnets, but they have different ones. They're $1. This one says, it's a rough life. Keep calm and oink on. Wine is cheaper than therapy. Love is a four-legged word. They have a lot of these, guys. Look at those. They have the mini tin cans right here with Santa, the snowflake, and this one right here that says Happy Holidays. They have these ceramic trivets here. Your opinion wasn't in the recipe. Let's see, they have a lot of the boxes. They also have, still have these right here, the little mini globes, the elf, the snowman, and they have Santa here. All of these are $1. Let me put those back in the box. They have a lot of Christmas cards here. They still have these Pampering Petty kits right here. They still have those. And here's another one of those boxes with the fake snow in it. They have those still. And what are these right here? These are wine glasses. This is what they look like. These are $5. And here's another one of those petty kits right there in pink. I have those. All right, guys, so right here they still have the value pack 8 gift boxes here. You get a total of 8. You get those. These are shirt boxes down here at the bottom with the snowman. And up here they have Christmas cards. They have this little hot cocoa set right here. 1 hot cocoa packet and 1 travel mug, and they have different ones. They have the snowman. Let's see, they have this one right here. And these are $3. And look at this little guy right here. He's standing all alone by himself with those eyes. They have Christmas wrap here for $1. $3 here for these ones right here. If you're looking for Scotch tape, they have it here. I'm gonna go over here. They have these 6-count bags here, $3. This little lonely guy right here is by himself. And they have these little Christmas boxes right here, guys. They open up in the front. Those are really cute. Look at those. And they have those. We have tons and tons of these little plush dolls here for $3. These little mini round tins. These are really cute. Merry Christmas. And Santa approve. They have tons and tons of garland up here. They have ribbon. This is a lot of ribbon here, but it's $5. All right, guys, and last but not least, I wanted to show you some of the little gift boxes right here. This is a 4-count with the red truck. It's a gift box, and they have different ones on the inside, and these are all for $1. They also have these ones right here. Those are really nice. They have these foil tags here for $1, the novelty stickers. They have these right here. These are really beautiful. They have some more the little ornaments right here. The novelty pins. Here's another ornament. And they have light up bracelets right here with the snowman. I see a red bear, a brown bear. They have Santa, and they have the Jingle Bell rings. And this right here is a holiday grow. It glows in the dark, and it actually grows, gets up to 600% bigger for $1. Wow, that's very neat. All right, so they still have these warmers here as well. They have the small spaces. Oh, those are neat. They come in, what's this color? This smell. This is a cranberry. They have vanilla. I see apple back there, and these are the larger plug-ins right here. But I think I'm gonna pick up this cranberry one right here, small spaces. They also have the wax melts right here, vanilla, the pine. And I see another cranberry. They have the fresh cranberry, the car Febreze, the air freshener. I'm gonna pick up this one right here. But guys, they have a lot of stuff right here. If you're looking for Febreze here, they have them in different scents. And they are a limited edition. They have those. Really nice. All right, guys, so I just wanted to pop back in General Dollar and see what they had to offer. I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen B. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. This is a placemat. That's really pretty, but I'm not sure what the other ones are, but they are $1. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel again today, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. They still have these tumblers here for $5.